Hi students, welcome to Standard 7 Science online class. I hope all are safe and fine at home by the grace of God. Children, this is your second unit, Universe and Space. So already we have completed 3 units, children. Yes, this is your 4th unit, okay. So unit 2, Universe and Space. And Okay, children, this lesson you learned the learning objectives. See, the first one you are able to understand, explain the beginning of universe, okay, and to know about the galaxies and its types. And the third one to recognize the different constellations in the night sky. And the fourth point, you get information about the stars. And the next one, distinction between natural and artificial satellites. The last one, you just understand the functions of ISRO. ISRO. ISRO means Indian Space Research Organizations. Yes, children. Now let's move for the lesson, okay? Okay, children. Who is Stephen Hawking? He is a scientist, children. Yeah. So Stephen Hawking word says, "My goal is simple. It is a complete understanding of the universe, why it is as it is, and why it does exist at all." Okay. And children. So how many wonders in the sky? Yes, already children. Yes. The field of study of the universe is called what? Astronomy. You know the meaning of astronomy, children? The field of study of the universe is called astronomy. Okay. And we know there are a million, a billion, and billion of stars in the universe, children. Yes. So the only about 2000 or so are visible or to your naked eye. So others are not visible. Okay. Have you ever think the size of this our universe, children? Yes, the universe is unimaginably, okay, it's infinitely big, very very big, okay. So universe is a common, okay, defined as the totality of everything that exists or it's known as to exist, okay, fine. Now, see here, the universe consists of. So, what are they present in the universe, children? Galaxies, planets, stars, okay, meteoroids, satellites, and all other forms of matters and energy. Okay, they are accompanied in the what? Sky, okay, planets. And what is geo? And this is called that about the place of resistance of whatever in our solar system. Okay, fine. So what is GEO, children? Geocentric theory. GEO means geocentric theory. So in this geocentric theory, the sky is very wonder and they are present in the sun, moon, stars, all appears to rise in the east and move towards the west. So giving the impressions that all those things, their objects are going around the earth. Okay. So it's just like moving a bus. The distance, mountains and trees appears to move the backwards. Okay, perhaps. So really you see the earth is spinning and why the sun and moon stars appears to ground, okay, around the earth, children. Have any idea? So does the earth revolve around the sun and the sun revolves around the earth. How do you know about it, children? Yeah. You see, children, when you look out the night sky, you can see lot of twinkling objects. Yes or no? Yeah. But a few of them, they differ from others. Yes or no? Yeah. It's a very small size or it's glittering, it's very large. Yeah. So they don't twinkle and while the other stars hold a fixed pattern from the night to night. Yes or no? Yes. See this picture? Yes. So they wander across the sky, moving against the backdrop of stars. You see, these are called what? Planets. So our ancestors observed this imaginated universe in the stars. That means Earth at the center. The star is the distance background. Okay, and the sun, moon, and planets orbiting around it. Okay. See this picture, children? Yeah. It's a very nice picture. Yeah. So to see the two observations, this is the one observation. See, this is the second observations. Supported the idea of the earth center of the universe. Okay, yes. So now let's move. See this nice picture, children. Yes. So now let's move for the next one. And you see the civilization progress. The early astronomers found the two types of motion of the celestial objects, children. Yes. Let us the case of the moon. In our day-to-day life, you see the moon appears to rise in the east and set in the west. Yes or no? Yes. So basically it will be there, moving there one place to the another place. See here, children. Yeah. And the next day it will near stars, that means Kartikai, east of Bharani. After 27 days you should moving the little eastwards. Again it should be move again stations. Okay. Itself near the Ashwini. Okay. So the everyday moon appears to move from east to west. In one day she appears to go the circle from the west to east. Background of stars in about how many days? So near 27 days. Okay. So these two motions were puzzling. Okay. Very soon astronomers like Aryabhatta said, you see Aryabhatta is one of the scientists' children, and the earth is spinning in its axis. That is causes apparent daily motions from the east to west. Every 27 days it's taking the periodically. Okay, you see in Tamil word you see Ammavasai. Okay, they are changing the moon changing our phases. Okay, see this picture, children. Yeah, it's the first quarter waxing crescent, a new quarter. Then they are moving the waning gibbers and the waxing gibbers. Okay, it will be changing our size and shape, everything. Okay, yes. And the angle also will be changing. Yes or no? Yes. See this picture, children. Yes. Yes. See this nice picture. Yeah. So lunar dichotomy. Okay. See this angle, moon, earth and the sun. Okay, the moon getting 90 degree and the earth getting a 40 to 87 degrees. 87 or 89 degrees. So sun is getting a 20 degree. Okay. So that is the angle of the difference between them. Okay. And what is this? See this next picture, children. You know, children, how many planets in our solar system? Yeah. You know, 8 planets. Okay. What are the 8 planets? Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune. Okay. Okay, here Pluto is missing because it will be destroyed, I think. Okay. Yes. And what is epicycles, children? Epicycles meaning the moon going around the earth within 27 days. How many days, children? 27 days period. Okay. Nicely they explain its motions. Okay. However, astronomers in the ancient times faced problems in explaining the motion of their known. Okay, there are 5 planets only for the Mercury, Venus, Mars, Jupiter, and Saturn. So moon is the background of stars. Okay, and the moon every day the eastwards nicely. However, for example, you see the observation of the motion of the moon. That means Mars and Mars from January. Okay, it will be appear to move eastwards. Okay, yes. See here, children, that is the position of the Mars. Okay, today will appear a star which is east in the next yesterday. Okay, however, the June 28th, it will be again. It will be changing the position. Okay, from the date of Mars, we appears to move west radar. Okay, it will be changing their position also. Fine. So how it is arrival of telescope, children? You know, telescope was invented. Who is invented, children? Hans Lippershey. But Galileo's were used the first. Okay, studying the sky for the first time. The telescope showed more universe was visible to naked eye. With his simple telescope matching toy telescope of today's. So Galileo was able to see the mountains on the moon. The small dim stars invisible, okay, to naked eye. Sun supports, you should see the spots of phases of the sun. Yes. So in our day-to-day life, you see the telescope. Yeah. And you see heliocentric theory, children. So this is the call it as what? Just learn the sun. Okay, nature of the sun. Heliocentric model. Heliocentric model is nothing but this is dissatisfied with the messy epicycle model. Okay, Nicholas Copernicus, he is one of the scientist children. Radically, they propose a model of the will become a simple. Okay, they are assuming the sun is the center, and all other planets, they are including Earth, and go around it. Okay, so Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, all the planets they are moving around the sun. Okay, yes, and see this picture, children. Yeah. Yes. So, however, how do we know that actually Sun is the center or not, children? Yes. See here, Venus orbit. So, Galileo found the this observations of Venus orbit. Children, it's very important. 5 more question, children. So, give the observational evidence of the supports the heliocentric theory, children. So, here the Galileo observed the Venus 1610 and 16 to 11. Okay, within the telescope to naked eye. Venus is just a gleaming bright spot. Okay, however, through the telescope, the shape of the planet have been seen. And Galileo was started to find started to find like a moon, Venus to exhibited phases. See this nice picture, children? Yeah. So they are changing the position of the phases of Venus. Okay. So as the Venus went around the epicycle orbit, children, yes, it became to clear the Galileo to geocentric epicycle model with the help to accounting from the observed from the phases of the Venus. See this next picture, children? Yeah. Yes, Venus full and gibbous phase and half. It means greatest elongations than crescent model. Okay. And this is a very important 5 mark question also, children. Yes. So here, if Galileo were around today, he wonders surely amazed the explorations of the solar systems beyond ISRO, Indian Space Research Organization, and NASA also. Okay, and Russian Space Agency also. They are conclude the same thing. Okay, yes. Okay, children, fine. And that's all, children. Today's class is over, children. Next class we will see the next topic, children. Okay, hope you all understand very well, children. Yes. Children, I'll give you the question answers, children. Write neatly in your classwork note, children. Complete your assignment, report in the group without fail. Thank you, children. God bless you.